Students, in previous video we discussed and completed our poem Noses. Okay, in that video we discussed about that girl. Okay, she watched her nose in mirror and whatever she think about her nose we already discussed. Okay, then in this video we are going to discuss about and we will write it down the new words and question answer of this poem. Okay, now there are some words, these words are new for us and these words and their meaning we already discussed, but you need to write down these words and their meaning in your notebook. So dear student, our first number word is funniest. Funniest means most interesting. Okay, whatever that thing you do, you look very happy, you feel very happy, it's called funniest. जिस चीज में आपको वो चीज करने के लिए मजा आता है, वो इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, वो चीज funniest होती है, most interesting होती है. Then spare means empty, खाली. Then giggle means laugh quietly, slowly हंसना. Then chin, this is our body part, chin. You can see here, this is our chin. You know mirror means what? Okay, everyone see their face every day at morning in mirror. हर रोज आपका फेस मिरर में देखते होते हैं. स्टक मतलब वहां पर अटक जाना, उसके बाद चिपक जाना, इस तरह से उसका मीनिंग होता है. ओके, दीज आर द वर्ड्स and their meaning. Now question answer of this poem Noses. First number question, why does the poet feel that the nose is funny thing? Okay, why does that poet feel that the nose is very funny thing? Because the poet thought that the nose grows where it is and stuck out of the face. Okay, the poet thought the nose is grows where it is, जहां पर है वहां पर से वो क्या करता है, बढ़ता है, and it's stuck or stick out of the face, और वो फेस पर चिपका हुआ है. That's why the poet thought that the nose is very funny thing. इस वजह से nose क्या है, funny thing. Then second number, why is a nose important for you, everyone? Okay, why is nose important for us? हम सबके लिए, आपके लिए, तुम्हारे लिए ये नोज इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? बिकॉज द नोज हैज टू होल, नॉस्ट्रिल्स. नोज के हमें दो होल से नॉस्ट्रिल्स कहा जाता है. एंड फ्रॉम विच थिंग वी यूज दीज टू होल्स और नॉस्ट्रिल्स फॉर ब्रीदिंग. इफ यू डोंट हैव दैट नॉस्ट्रिल देन विल नॉट ब्रीथ, वी विल नॉट टेक द एयर इन our body, breathe नहीं कर सकती, बॉडी में हमारे हवा नहीं ले सकती, then we will die. So the nose is important for us or me. Why? Because the nose has two holes and through these holes we can breathe. That if you're writing, then you can write I breathe, and therefore it is important for me. Now next question, me or my life. And next question, third number question, does the child in the poem like her nose? What do you think? So in this poem there is a child or girl. What do you think? This child in the poem like her nose? Yes, definitely everyone like the nose, their nose, and in this poem that child also like her nose, and she considered that to be funny thing which stick out just like a handle. Why is considered the nose is funny thing? Because she thought that it stick out just like a handle on her face. वो हैंडल की तरह चिपका हुआ है उसके नोज पर, ऐसा उसका मानना है. Now what does feature? Next question, third number question, does the child in the poem like her nose? The question over. Now describe a few funny things. describe a few funny things that you have seen. Do they make you laugh? Language is the wrong word. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. A few funny things that I know are mustache of man, hairstyle of ladies, and some dresses of men and women. Yes, they make me laugh. Okay, here the person or the boy written the answer. He liked or he feel funny and he laughed when he saw a mustache man. Mustache means मूछे वाला जो आदमी उसने देखा तो उसको देखकर वो हंसी आ गई. Hairstyles of ladies, various hairstyles of ladies. You see, there are various types of hairstyle. Ladies जो होती है वो बहुत सारे तरह की हेयर स्टाइल बनाती है, तो वो देखकर उसे हंसी आती है. उसके बाद अलग अलग कपड़े जो पहनते हैं मेन और वुमेन, लाइक दीज थिंग्स आल्सो ही सी एंड he make that things laugh. वो चीजें उसे हंसाने के लिए मदद करती है. Okay, now what does feature mean? Look up the dictionary and what are the different kinds of features of people we come across in the world. Discuss. Okay, here you need to find out the meaning of feature and then what to do. Write the different kinds of features of people. अलग अलग फीचर्स जो है लोगों की वो आपको क्या करने हैं, ढूंढने हैं एंड लिखने. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फीचर मीन्स अ पार्ट ऑफ फेस और डिस्टिंक्टिव पार्ट्स और अपीयरेंस जो होता है आदमी का, फीचर्स होते हैं, डिस्टिंक्टिव पार्ट होता है फीचर मतलब. तो वो फीचर्स जो है अलग अलग जो योग्यता है, उसके बाद क्या कह सकते हैं फीचर्स जो होते हैं उसमें बहुत सारी चीज लोगों के फीचर्स आपको दिख सकते हैं. पीपल विथ राउंड नोज, हियर वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट नोज. पीपल विथ राउंड नोज, देन पीपल विथ फ्लैट नोज, पीपल विथ शॉर्ट नोज, पीपल विथ लॉन्ग नोज. इफ यू सी एवरीवन्स नोज, यू कैन सी देयर नोजेस आर डिफरेंट. ओके, सबके नोजेस डिफरेंट होते हैं. सबके नोजेस सेम हो सकते हैं क्या? नहीं हो सकते. किसी का नोज राउंड होता है, किसी का फ्लैट होता है, किसी का शॉर्ट होता है, किसी का लॉन्ग होता है. Okay, their noses are different and you can write more answers using their other body parts on face like eyes. Some eyes, some eyes are small, someone's eyes big. कुछ लोगों के small होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के big होते हैं. Okay, उसके बाद next question. Here one poem. Let's sing that poem and 2-3 lines. What to do? You can do activity here. Sing this song and march as you sing. When you come to the ginger, take 2 steps back and say 2, 3. Then start again. There was a girl so tall and thin and fair. Her hair was the delicate shade of ginger. Then 2, 3 back. पीछे जाना है और ये पोएम आपको बोलकर दिखानी. There was a girl so tall and thin and fair. Her hair was the delicate shade of ginger. जब ginger का वर्ड आता है तो आपको 2 कदम पीछे जाना है और बोलकर देखना है. Then next step, fun time. Here sit in groups. Form a group at your home. Now the classes are not going on, so sit in groups at your home with your cousins, your friends, or with your family members. And what to do? Look at your friend or cousin's face and describe what you see on his or her face. उसके face पर क्या देखते हो? Like you can use the words like with the help of long, round, oval, slanted, sharp, flat. Then you can write that. For example, my friend nose is round. His face is flat. Okay, like this you can write more words and sentences. Okay. Then next, what is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. Okay, just write down your favorite fruit name and describe it in 5 sentences. आपका जो फेवरेट फ्रूट है वो लिखना है, उसके बारे में 4-5 sentences लिखने. Here one example, my favorite fruit is an apple. It is very tasty. I eat an apple with its peel. It has small seeds. Okay, if you like mango, if your favorite fruit is mango, then you can just replace mango with apple. My favorite fruit is mango. It is very tasty. Whatever, you can write your favorite fruit name also and their sentences also. Okay, now next, the question on page number 21. How does it smell? Okay, for example, apple or mango, it smells sweet. Then how does it look? It looks like a cricket ball. The apple is look like a cricket ball. You can write the shape of mango and other fruits also. Then how does it feel? It is hard. If you touch that apple, it's feel hard. When you bite it, what sound does it make? When you bite that apple, what sound does it make? वो कौन सा आवाज, किस आवाज निकलता है? That sound, tuck. Tuck आवाज निकलता है. How does it taste? It tastes sweet. कैसा लगता है खाने के बाद वो? Taste कैसी उसकी? Taste is sweet. Exercise. First of all, close your right nostril with your right thumb. क्या करना है? Right thumb से हमारे जो right nostril है, जो होल है राइट हैंड का, तो वो क्या करना है? आपको इसे दबाना है. Then inhale slowly through the left nostril till your lungs are filled with air. What to do? Inhale, अंदर लेना है, सांस अंदर लेनी है जब तक कि हमारा लंग्स फिल नहीं हो जाता, फुल नहीं हो जाता फुल तरह. And then what to do? With your second and third finger, close your left nostril. Okay, then what to do? Remove finger or thumb and exhale through. How to do? First, right thumb, inhale, and then second to third, and exhale from right. Okay, right nostril. This exercise you can repeat at your home also. Okay, many times, at least 3-4 times every day you can do this exercise every day. This is also healthy for your body. Okay, now page number 22. On page number 22, do you know fish breathes from its gills? Write 2 sentences about other animals which can breathe under water. Okay, we know that fish living in water, and the fish takes the air or take breathes. How? With the help of their gills or its gills. मतलब जो कल्ले होते हैं फिश के, उससे वो क्या कर सकता है? ब्रीदिंग. तो दैट्स वाई जो गिल्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? इस तरह से होते रहते हैं, ओपन फ्लो. उससे वो एयर क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन क्या करते हैं? वहां से लेते हैं. एंड राइट डाउन द 2 or 3 animals that live in or breathe under water. Okay, which are the animals? Like crocodile, snake, tortoise. They can breathe under water. Here, crocodile can breathe under water. But at times they rest on the side of pond. Sometimes they take rest side of the pond. The snakes can also breathe under water. Then we know that tortoise or turtle, they also can breathe under water. Okay, now next or second number question in let's write punctuate the following passage. Okay, here the passage is given there, but this passage is not in punctuate from, or they are directly written. We need to punctuate the passage. What to do? What is mean the punctuation mark? Punctuation marks means that question mark, full stop, capital letter, single inverted, double inverted commas, then exclamation mark, question mark. These are the things we need to use in this passage. No punctuation marks are used in this paragraph. So we need to punctuate this paragraph and write neatly this paragraph in notebook and book also. What to do here? Here we know that every sentence start with capital letter, and here the girl is speaking, then that's why we use the double inverted here. Mother, comma, father. Neelam said, comma, I have got a fire engine. Okay, here exclamation mark. I have got fire engine. What's this? What is this? Called mother, somehow confused by the noise. I have got fire engine. Mother, come and see it. Okay, here you can see every sentence start with the capital letter. Then here the Neelam or the girl is speaking. Then here we use double inverted comma. Okay, father and mother here. Mother and father, comma. Then here we completed double inverted. And once again, here the sentence started. Then we use once again double inverted and I capital. Then I have got a fire engine, exclamation mark. Here surprise is there, certain feeling is there. That's why we use exclamation mark. Then I have got a fire engine, once again exclamation mark, because the sentence is repeated twice. That's why we use exclamation mark and exclamation mark. And with this exclamation mark, the single or double inverted comma completed. Now the sentence completed. Then another sentence is started. What this is called mother. Okay, mother also surprised. Mother don't know what her girl or what her daughter wanted to say. That's why he's thinking about, and he has some question. What is this? उसमें उसका क्वेश्चन है, इस वजह से यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड इट स्पीकिंग देन डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. Somewhat confused the noise, full stop, sentence completed, then we use full stop and I have got fire engine, mother come and see. The double inverted comma completed and full stop. Okay, here we can see the punctuation marks are used in this passage. Okay, 10 number or last number question, you can also use the punctuation marks. If you know that, then you write properly and neatly in your notebook or book. Okay, now last number 10 number question. Another one question is remain, but before that you need to complete 10 number question. Using a red pencil, choose and circle the thing whose smell you like, and now with the blue pencil circle the things whose smell you do not like and make sentences like this. What to do? That whatever the smell is there, if you like that smell, circle with red pencil, and the smell of thing you don't like, circle with ब्लू पेंसिल. जिन चीजों का स्मेल आपको अच्छा लगता है उसको रेड पेंसिल से सर्कल करना है, जिसका नहीं अच्छा लगता है उसको ब्लू पेंसिल से सर्कल करना है. उसके बाद आपको क्या करने हैं, कुछ सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. ओके, हियर आई लाइक डू नॉट लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ डायडल बिकॉज इट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ. इस तरह से आपको क्या करने को सेंटेंस बनाना है. तो कुछ दिए, पेट्रोल, रोज, सेंट, चॉकलेट, चिप्स, शैम्पू, रोटन फ्रूट, चंपा, डर्टी शूज, सोप, agarbatti, marigold, paint, garbage, coffee, elaichi. Okay, these are the words given on page number 22, and using these words you can write the sentence or form the sentences. Okay, here the sentences are made. I do not like the smell of pet because it reminds me of petrol. I do not like the smell of rotten fruit because it reminds me of dirty shoes. I like the smell of agarbatti because it reminds me of scent. I like the smell of coffee because it reminds me of chocolate. I like the smell of elaichi because it reminds me of champa. Okay, you can write like these types of sentences. Okay, you can use other words here. Okay, given words. Okay, here you can write I do not like the smell of petrol. Then you can use other words like chips, shampoos. Okay, whatever words are given you can use and you can form the new sentences. Now page number 23. In this page number 23 there is one poem, what is it? And in this poem, tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. Then what is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrot and water cress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. Okay, you can see that whose ears are tall and whose nose twinkly, we know that, and whose hair tail is tiny. किसके हेयर लंबे होते हैं, जिसका नोज ट्विंकली चमकता है, छोटा होता है, उसकी पूंछ भी छोटी होती है, उसको कैरेट वगैरह खाना अच्छा लगता है, उसे हम कैरेट खिलाते हैं और डरता भी हो और किसी को डिस्टर्ब भी नहीं करता. इस तरह का एनिमल कौन सा है? वी नो दैट द एनिमल इज रैबिट. ओके, वो रैबिट के बारे में एक पोएम है. And the question, last number question depend on this poem. Write 3 pairs of words that rhyme with each other. Okay, here in the poem you can see nose, goes, gates, water trace, then a small, all, etc. These 3 pairs you can made with the help of this poem. So students, today we completed the question answer and the poem. Also we finished in previous video, and now in today's video we finish the question answers and new words also. If you have any difficulty related to this poem, question answers or new words, then ask me. So students, today we stop here. In next video we will discuss about the next topic. So today we stop here. Thank you very much.